Hi, welcome back to Bites MD. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Thai curry with all these ingredients, and we're also going to do a taste test on this gigantic mango, also known as a sun mango. I do not believe I've ever had this variant before, so we'll give it a shot. I'm going to slice up some red chili. I'm going to add it into a green curry. The difference between like red and green is mainly because the green curry is not ripe and the red chilies are ripe. We can also make everything from scratch with red chilies, but the problem is it has a lot of shrimp paste and that stuff stink up your house quite a bit. If you notice, I'm banging open the ends of my lemongrass because that's how you're going to get all your flavor. Traditionally, what you would do is you would mince this all up with a bunch of green chili peppers and all your other ingredients like cumin, coriander, and then we're just going to fry these. Once our pot is nice and hot, I'm going to add some of our oil and put this down to a low-medium heat. I'm just going to add my green curry paste in here right now, just to kind of toast everything up to release all the aromatics. I'm adding my lemongrass here, and then I'm going to add in my galangal. Two cans of coconut milk. I'm going to turn down the heat and let this simmer for a bit. Feel free to add as much chilies or not as much chilies depending on your spice level. So this has been reducing for about 30 minutes or so now. Most of the coconut water is all gone. I'm adding in my lime leaves. And I have here my chicken stock. This chicken stock is actually reduced by 3 times the amount. I'm really trying to concentrate on the flavors because the best curry I've had was actually in Houston. Granted, I've never been to Thailand, but it was just so flavorful, so I'm trying to recreate that. I'm gonna add in my bamboo. I'm just gonna bring this back to boil and let this simmer for about another 10-15 minutes, just to kind of release all that flavors from the lime leaf. I should probably put this in a bag next time, so this way I don't have to siphon out through all the lime leaves. But you live and you learn. I'm adding the bamboo in now because I want to bring out the sweetness from the bamboo onto the curry. I'm also going to add a little bit of cane sugar. I think traditionally they use palm sugar. And I'm also going to add about a teaspoon of fish sauce. So after I painstakingly remove all my lime leaves and lemongrass and galangal, I'm going to add in my tofu. These are very spongy. These are great with soups or curry because it absorbs all the soup and curry. I'm going to add in my peppers here too. I'm making it very colorful just because I really like the sweetness from the red, orange, and yellow peppers compared to the green peppers. I'm going to bring this back to a boil. I remove some of the curry because I want to poach my fish in here. The nice thing about this is there's so much coconut fat or cream in here that a lot of times even if you overcook it, the fish will still come out soft and tender. I'm using basa. This is probably one of my favorite fishes. Once this has come to boil, I'm just going to turn off the heat and we'll let it sit there for about 5 minutes or so and it'll be ready.
Ooh, lunchtime! Wow, this looks good. It's so colorful.
So normally we would serve it with rice, like coconut rice or jasmine rice.
Ooh.
But today we decided to be healthy and serve a little bit of bread.
Wow, that seems like a perfect idea. Wow, this looks so light. Okay, ready. It's nice and thin, which is perfect for the weather, and has a little bit of a spice to it. You get thumbs up. It's delicious.
You should eat the fish. That's not a fish. That's bamboo.
I wasn't here. I just had a tofu ball. A fried tofu ball. This is the fish?
Yes.
It's good. I hope it deboned it.